All right, we're here at the Namuamg Waterfall, and right in between Namuamg and what was the city we're just in? Yeah, Lamai. And this place is dead. I mean, no, you could tell that if this was still going, I mean, before COVID, this place was probably cracking with tons of people, but it's nobody here.
Yeah.
And it cost us 20 baht to post-COVID travel right here. So we paid 20 baht to get in, and it's like a 2-minute walk up here to the waterfall. With these big, beautiful trees here. There's some crazy noise. Look at these big trees too. And here, you stand over there, Jill, so we can see how big those boys are. Those are beautiful trees. There you go. Give them some love, Jill. And yeah, the waterfall is right up this way. I mean, you can tell this is probably full of tourists and people eating and stuff, hanging out, kids running everywhere. But not now. Not during after COVID. It's just us. We're the only 2 people here. And supposedly we can swim in this waterfall. So I guess we're gonna get down to our skivvies now.
Oh my god! What?
All right.
Crazy.
That must be cicadas. That noise. I don't know what that noise is.
Big caution sign.
Yeah, children should always be accompanied and supervised by adults, you know? That means easy, All right, let's see what's going on. Look.
We're going to swim this early. Put that phone down.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Pretty cool.
Look up there. Wow.
Yeah.